Come back with the left. Left, right, left. Come back with the left after the right. Left, right, and left. 3 punches, not just 2. Do it again. Do it again. All right. All right. Set it up. Do it again. Left, right, left. Come back with the left. Right. Jab, don't fake. Just give it to him. Right there. Left, right, left. Get it off. Don't wait. Get it off. See, when you wait, you allow your opponent to get his momentum. Don't allow him to get his momentum. There you go. Don't allow your opponent to get his punches off. Don't allow your opponent to get his momentum. There you go. That's it. Left, right, left. There you go. Body. Work the body. Jab. Jab and move. Jab and move.
Move that stuff on.
Yeah, I got it. I'm sorry. I'm just two things at one time.
Show that one.
Check it out, right?
Yeah. Show that one right there.
Anytime you throw that jab, bring it right back.
Don't hang out on the ropes. Get away from it.